most respected CEC, ERO, RO, and senior student leaders of Magong Bango Student Union who have come here to witness this fourth election come selection of Magong Bango Student Union. First of all, let me introduce myself. Talik Tatin. I'm from Riga village, and I would like to introduce my qualifications. I have completed my BA in political science from JN College, and I have recently completed my LLB from Nerimla College, Guwahati. And today I'm standing here as a aspiring candidate for the post of President Magong Bango Student Union, and I have some manifesto. My manifesto is like this. I would like to organize and conduct a career counseling, and I would also like to visit all the schools.
Election Committee, Mago Bango Student Union, belum ai rumah dah election nam kau iban nam lega dak mok amun kaleng jamo pasigat belongo BCom complete to wagengo pada elo jote lo college lango LLB dung ngo GS contest nam hi ngo bango halo ai bango me ka otat age anam ko kringam ye bolang ko mu lango bango contest dung ngo ai holong dedina ate mengo mungkum lage dung dem ngo ilang ku execute lang ku mengo bangol student union ngo GS post laharu sa agam petakam.
Thank you siangong hilo kanok ngolum coverage binam laga pa ngok hilo ke media lo angga hidung port Mago Bango student union election MBSU election laga pa konno 10/5/2026 longa dalo kotumu jebe ngoma CEC appointment ila dam dalogrong ngo election process em inama konno 28/5/2026 longa dalo ngo election ingko ma process em ngo social media la circulate bito dalo ilangila poma ma 29 May to 31 May 2026 10 AM to 4 PM aralongo last issue dalogrong em 1 June 2026 9 AM to 12 noon no last nomination filing ida the ila voting process am ilangila Riga headquarter inspection banglolo ngo election am hilo conduct botoko ikuna ma election process pattern hai ito documents required original class 10 pass certificate for S proof original graduation certificate from recognized institution Aadhaar card ST certificate and PRC valid student identity card issued by the concerned authority original admission receipt either piece receipt copy the ingoka president and general secretary post ka the secretary assistant ka kedunga rake original class 10 pass certificate for S proof class 10 class 12 pass the Aadhaar card ST and PRC valid student ID card original admission receipt the same the irongama osem ibito 16 ingoko post ko president vice president protocol admin the general secretary AGS admin protocol convener co-convener secretary finance assistant finance secretary education the ila the mol posem bito ila ikunama election mol dalo conduct lang kula delegation system mol ito Riga student union president GS broadcast ya all sitang student union GS president broadcast ya all Pangkang Student Union President GSA broadcast ya, all Parang Student Union President GSA broadcast ya, all outgoing executive member ke dengan broadcast ya, dak ke 10 volunteers ko ngolu accept to voting right cut apa. Dak irong election process inama hilo nomination file lang kul inama unopposed dong takama unopposed kunama hilo ngok election process mengo sari taring melan mang dubo menam ka kumang inam nagang hilo lo complete dong iga dola ngolu election process hey dong mago bango ka 2011 dalo first mago bango student union president tuku muja general secretary livim jamo dalo ngo finance secretary pa duta iko nama helo ko kedeng ngom pa halang kula CEC bonai ko nam dam bonai lang kula ngo election nam kondak bodong ko iko nama 2011 dalo tuku muja be ito president dalo rongam bek tuku muja ko rongam election selection ilang kula election kondak lang kula tajong talom be ito tajong talom ko irongama ko tu muja idung wak port engku aka ngo CEC idalang kula port mau MBSU election nam wak kondak bodong ko election kondak kunam hologa elected member kedenga taluk taten president taten tamin vice president protocol tayem tamut vice president admin kaling jamo general secretary binam taga assistant general secretary protocol takyam jamo assistant general secretary admin kamen tabang convener tajen tagu finance secretary keng taduk secretary education omit mubang health and hygiene secretary barot muze game and sport secretary subhas darung secretary IPR hu loka elected members ke dehem ngo ko ke dehem airun ke kado disiplin kom ido atu baeng ko na hol ponmen marmen tu kamang iya me kerai enam kom aye ya boy pemengkai mago banggo mengkan ko payagai pemengkai atu takam ai kai iya melo mago banggo ko mulu buluk mengkai la juga ngolo ye enam elo kom bulung ai nagiram gerdo ngolo torgur la juga public kom saat bikan kol bila juga dak huma hilo ke elected members ke huma ngo ESC ma kom bibia JPC ma kom bia dolunga i hologe gam burata head gau burata kama ngo kopi tu ini binya iya melo takama mengkehla juga agam pa